Hello coders, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to use the break statements. What are the conditions where we are using this break statement and what are the use cases of that. So break statement is mostly used in the switch statement. Okay, so in each case, we are putting the break statements and that will break on a particular case. Secondly, we are using this break statement mostly in the loops. Okay, so in order to match a condition and break at a particular location, we use this break statement. So let's see how this break statement is being used. So the keyword for this break statement is break. Okay, so what I will do, I'll take a loop in I is equal to 0, I less than 5, and I plus plus. Okay, so inside this, if I is equal to 4, if this condition is followed, then it should break. Okay, so I'll print a statement here, print f I value is matched. Okay, so I will print the value of I as well. Okay, and I'll take one more print over to the last, and there I will print exiting the code. Okay, so what I done here is I taken a loop from 0 to 5 at I value is 4. It is breaking. It is coming out of this loop and it will print this statement on the last. So let's compile and run it. Okay, so the I value is matched. It is 4. The value of I is 4, and it at the condition it got bricked, and we're getting exiting the code. Okay, so let's take one more loop here. Okay, so I will take for loop int j is equal to 0, j less than 5, and j plus plus. Okay, so in here I'll take a curly braces. Okay, I'll end it here. So in this condition, what I will do, I will take some multiples. For example, I will take I value 3 and 4, 3, 4 is 12. So I take the value of I multiply by j is equal to 12. So there are multiple conditions on which this value will be 12. So it may be I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 4. Okay, and j is equal to 4, I is equal to 3. So there may be multiple condition on which this is matched. Okay, so here what I will do, I'll take matched the value of I and j. Okay, so I is equal to this, and j is equal to, okay, then I will print I and j value here. Okay, So I have this exiting of the code and ing value the matched thing, and I will print uh, I multiply by j as well. And here, comma, I multiply by j is equal to percentage d. Save it. Again, I compile it and I execute it. Okay. So the same way, the value of I is 3 and j is 4. The value is 12 and this case is missed. Okay. Then second case on I is 4, j is 3. So why this happened? Why it is not coming out of this loop? So because this break statement only, you know, come of the inner loop, not from the this loop, I loop. I loop is still running till 5. So it will start from 0 to 5. And in this meanwhile, this condition is met and it got break from this J statement. Okay, so there are two loops here, right? So once it comes out of this J loop, it will go into the I loop. It will compare again for a next value. So both the cases got matched. And so if we want this program to come out of these loops, both these loops, uh, one on the matching of the first condition, that is I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 4. Only thing what I can do is I will take a flag over there. So let's take a flag. Okay, so I will take a flag is equal to 0, or I'll take -1 here. Okay, initial condition. So inside, if it is matched, then the flag is equal to 1. And once it is done, I will, if put the flag is equal to 1, then it should break. Okay. So what happens here? So once the first condition is met, this flag become 1. So once it is 1, when the next I comes up, it will break from the second loop as well. So this way we are exiting. So let's compile and see if this is happening. Okay, so only one condition is met. After that, so the point here to grab is the break will come out of the single for loop. For the next loop, you have to take care using a flag or something like that. So, so the next example, we can take off a switch loop as well, switch as well. Okay. So in the switch case, what happened? So in the switch case, so for example, if we have a choice here, and so the choices are case one, printf. I will put select case one. Okay, then I will take case two. Okay, and next I will take break also with case three, and then we have the default. So no case found. So in this case also we are using this break statement. Okay, So I have to print this choice. So I have this choice as in choice. I will initialize it to the third choice, or I'll take it first. Okay. So, so what I have seen here, I got all the statements. So though I forgot to put the break after each case. So it is happening like this. So if I put the break over each case, so the same thing will turns out to be on single case. So this is a common mistake we are doing in the switch case by using this break statement. We are not putting certain cases, so it will execute all the cases. And where it finds a break, it comes out of the switch statement. So this is the second example where there is a use of the break statement. So this is all about the break statement. Let's see in the next video. Thanks.